Hey there, are you tired of the relentless struggle to make ends meet? Fed up with watching others live their dream lives while you're stuck in a cycle of scarcity? Well, hold on to your seat, because what I'm about to tell you is a game changer. Did you know that the words you utter today possess the incredible power to attract wealth into your life? That's right. 3 simple words can unlock the wealth you've always longed for. But before we dive into this, I've got a question for you. Do you have the guts to say these words with unwavering faith and conviction? Are you ready to take bold action and wholeheartedly embrace the principles of the law of attraction? Because remember, it's not just about saying those words. You've got to live them with every ounce of your being. Eric Butterworth, an American writer and speaker, was a pivotal figure in the New Thought movement. So, what did Eric believe? He was a firm believer in our power to co-create our own universe. Are you ready to seize that power and transform your life? You have the power to transform your reality through the strength of your thoughts and consciousness. Eric perceived God not as an external entity, but as a creative force that courses through the very fabric of existence. Picture it, an incredible energy pulsating within you and all around you. Understand this truth. Every single one of us possesses a direct connection to an immense force, a gateway to boundless potential. And where does this extraordinary journey begin? In the depths of your mind. Break free from the constraints of limiting thoughts and wholeheartedly embrace the infinite possibilities that envelop you. Imagine a treasure chest filled with wonderful things like opportunities, love, and success. The way to unlock this treasure is in how you think, changing from thinking there's not enough to thinking there's plenty. The law of attraction works like a big magnet, pulling in exactly what you think and feel. It's amazing, isn't it? Think about this. Science tells us that everything, even your thoughts and feelings, is made of energy. When you send out good energy, it starts to shape the world you live in. Eric Butterworth had an interesting idea about how we think and feel. He said it's not some complicated concept. It's about being in sync with your mind, body, and heart. Think of it like finding a calm and happy place full of love, joy, and success. It's not just about money and material possessions. It's a way of living and thinking. Welcome all the good things into your life and enjoy all the great moments life offers. The law of attraction works its magic when we align our thoughts, emotions, and energy with what we desire. If we radiate positive vibrations, especially when it comes to money, the universe can't help but respond in kind. It's like the ultimate relationship between giving and receiving. Let me explain this better with an example. Listen closely as I share a powerful story. In the pursuit of wisdom, a determined young individual sought the guidance of a revered monk. He approached the monk with a burning question. How can I attain wisdom? Brace yourself, for what unfolds next will astonish you. The monk led the young person to a calm stream. Out of the blue, the monk briefly dumped the young person's head underwater. Imagine how the young one reacted. It wasn't pleasant. After coming up for air, they were upset and wanted to know why the monk did that. They couldn't figure out how it connected to wisdom. But here's where it gets interesting. The monk asked, "What did you want most when underwater?" The young person, confused, said, "To breathe, of course." The monk then explained a deep truth. Wisdom is like an unending thirst for knowledge, much like the desperate need for air when you're low on breath. It's a constant desire to learn more, find answers, and grow. The young person realized that wisdom is more than just gathering facts. It goes deeper. It's about feeding the never-ending curiosity inside us, always eager for growth and new insights. Now let's talk about prosperity and how it's connected to progress. Just as poverty is a particular way of thinking and living, so is prosperity. They're like 2 different roads. One leads to having little, the other to having plenty. Remember, this separation is just a trick of the mind. Our thoughts and intentions shape our world. So, if we want to bring in money or achieve any other goal, we must see the bigger picture. Everything in our lives is linked together. Let me share a powerful truth with you. Your financial challenges often mirror the state of your inner world. It's like a reflection of your inner consciousness in the external circumstances of your life. When you feel overwhelmed or sense that something isn't quite right, it's because you're out of sync with the divine flow. Now, let's dive into the realm of money. Have you ever felt the weight of scarcity or perhaps doubted the worthiness of financial abundance? Let me assure you, we've all been there. But fret not, for I'm about to unveil 3 magical words that can liberate you from these negative emotions. Are you ready for the transformative words? Here they are. I accept. I deserve. I allow. Speak these words with unwavering conviction and behold the enchantment that unfolds. Step 1. Welcome abundance. As the first step on your path to financial change and personal growth, we encourage you to welcome the abundance the universe wants to give you. It's not just talk, it's a real thing. So repeat these words. I accept, I deserve, I allow. By focusing on prosperity and abundance, you connect with positive energy. This abundance isn't just a dream. It's coming closer every day. Get your mind and heart ready to accept this gift. When it arrives, you'll be ready, guided to financial success. Step 2. Affirm your divine worth. In the second step, we dig deep into who you are. You're not just a small part of the universe. You're an important part of something amazing. By recognizing your worth as a unique individual, you can break free from the negative thoughts that may be holding you back. This understanding is like the spark that ignites your journey to prosperity. Step 3. Connect to positive energy. The third step is all about creating a strong connection with positive energy and the spiritual world. This connection can be your source of strength and guidance as you move toward abundance. The surprising part is that when you build this connection with determination, you'll see prosperity start to flow into your life. The key here is mindfulness. You need to focus your thoughts and energy on positive outcomes. It's not just daydreaming. It's about matching your thoughts and actions with what you want. Being thankful for what you have already attracts more into your life. But the most important part is taking action. Dreams need action to come true. By consistently working toward your goals, you start turning the wheels of abundance. This transforms your life and allows prosperity to grow in every part of it. Keep in mind, my friend, that everything in this vast universe, including money and wealth, is constructed from the divine substance of God. By acknowledging its presence and welcoming it into your life, you can draw more of it to you.